This tandoori chicken cooked in domestic oven is full of flavors, is smoky and is charred, and I wish you could join me to taste this. Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen and thanks for joining in. In today's video, I'm cooking a whole tandoori roasted chicken, and this is a lovely dish to get your family around the table. Tandoori chicken is a hugely popular dish because of its smoky charred flavor, and I'm going to show you how to make a juicy and flavorful tandoori chicken in your domestic oven. So my chicken is roughly 1100 grams, and I highly recommend that you do not pick a very big bird, and it should be maximum 1200 grams. And I have left it in salted water overnight, and this is to keep my bird juicy, and it'll protect while it's cooking in the oven. This is completely optional. You can do it or you can totally avoid it, but I will recommend you leaving your bird in the water. Now we need to do some prep. There are some areas of chicken like chicken breast that's deep and it doesn't cook easily and evenly. And to help it cook, we'll apply a deep cut right in the middle of chicken breast, making sure that the knife touches the bone. Now on the side of chicken breast, go deeper with your knife, making 4 or 5 deep cuts. And do the same with the other side of the chicken breast. Now legs are toughest part of a chicken, and it takes a bit longer to cook chicken legs as compared to chicken breast. To help them cook faster and evenly, we will apply some cuts here. Turn it over and make deep cuts in the chicken thigh. And apply deep cuts to the chicken leg, making sure that knife touches the bone every single time, especially near the joints. The joints are the toughest to cook. Go deep down with the knife and open the leg meat up, exposing the bone. Apply the cuts on the other leg likewise. Now apply deep cuts on the inside of both legs, making sure that knife touches the bone every single time, especially at the joints. Now marinate your chicken with the ginger garlic paste, chili powder and salt. Rub it nicely into all the cuts with your fingers. This is the first marination of our chicken, and this will ensure that you get a beautifully seasoned and flavorful tandoori chicken. Once done, keep aside, and in the meanwhile, in a mixing bowl, add ginger and garlic paste, turmeric, coriander powder, chaat masala, fenugreek leaves, and yogurt, and mix well. Add salt, lemon juice, and mustard oil. And if you don't have a mustard oil, you can use vegetable oil. Mix it well and check the seasoning now, and you can adjust anything according to your taste. Now pour this over the chicken and marinate your chicken with it. Make sure that you apply this marinade in the deep cuts. This is going to give our tandoori chicken the best flavor of ginger, garlic, yogurt, lemon and all the spices. Gently rub all the deep cuts and slits with this marinade and you will have the tastiest tandoori chicken. Now let it sit in marinade overnight, or at least 3 to 4 hours minimum, to get the best flavors out of it. I'm cooking tandoori potatoes to go as a side with my tandoori chicken, but you can pick any vegetables of your choice. In a leftover marinade, add some oil and put these potatoes in a bowl and marinate them with the leftover marinade. Scatter the potatoes around the chicken and they will cook with the chicken. I'm going to roast my chicken at 200 degrees Celsius for 1 hour, and I will baste every 20 minutes, and then I will take a look at the doneness. Get the chicken out of oven and baste it with the melted butter or oil every 20 minutes. And now after an hour, your chicken has cooked and your potatoes are ready. It's moist and full of flavors. From the side of the dish, pick all the juices and pour over the chicken and potatoes. This is going to add even more flavors to your chicken and potatoes. To serve it with some fresh onions, mint and coriander chutney, and plain Greek yogurt. Do cook it in your house. Do let me know how you get on. And if you have any questions, please do ask. Until next video, keep cooking.